This is how you can use uncategorized entries review point in Xenett. So what it simply does is that based on the config that is set, it's going to pull up the transactions from uncategorized accounts. By default, Xenett automatically configure those accounts that you could be using. For example, uncategorized expenses, or ask my accountant, ask my client. If you need to change something, you can change it, and accordingly the transactions will be pulled here from based on the accounts that are mapped. Now we do things little differently here. We create a small block for each vendor. Rather than showing you guys transactions randomly, like in a scattered way. So for example, when we look at QuickBooks transactions or zero transactions, it's like it's sorted in date order. Here we group it by vendor so that it gets very easy for you guys to quickly reclassify. So let's just say there is a Home Depot here. You think that this is office supplies. You just click here, you just do it office supplies, and then save it, and it will be changed in your accounting file. Now right now there is just one transaction, but imagine if there are 10 transactions or 20 of them. All those transactions will be reclassified on just one click. All right, so that's how handy it is to reclassify transactions here with this block. Now you will see this kind of bulb at some places. So what happens is that if Xenett has some history, like has some sort of suggestions based on the history, it's gonna give it to you. So in this particular case, based on the history, it thinks that this Amazon should go to office supplies. If you also think that this makes sense, you just click on it. It's gonna automatically choose that account here, and you just click here on save, and it will then be reclassified as well. So that's like a pretty cool feature that you can enjoy. There are some more features here. Let's just say you're looking at Amazon and here, and you wanted to pull up the history for Amazon. You just simply click on it, and it's gonna pull up all the transactions from Amazon, so you can quickly see how those transactions were coded in the past, so that you can come back and make changes here. You can also take further actions by asking questions to your client. So you can click here, ask question, and you can simply ask it to your client, or you can even ask internal questions if you like by clicking on this comment icon as well.